In this video, we'll show you how to remove viruses and malware from Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if your computer is running slow, showing random pop-up, opening strange programs, or just behaving differently than normal, there's a good chance it could be infected with malware. Windows actually comes with a built-in security tools that are very effective. And if you go through these steps properly, you can remove most viruses without needing to take your PC to a repair shop. So let's go step by step and clean your system properly. Alright, so first, disconnect your computer from the internet or unplug the Ethernet cable. This prevents malware from downloading more files or communicating with external servers while you're cleaning it. Now click the Start button and type Windows Security. Open it, you'll see a dashboard with several sections. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Under Current Threats, look for Scan Options. And here you'll see multiple scan types. Select Full Scan. This will check your entire drive. Click Scan Now, and then it'll start scanning. This can take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour depending on your storage size and speed. Let it finish completely. If Windows finds threats, you'll see options like Remove, Quarantine, or Start Actions. Choose Remove or follow the recommended action. Once it's done, restart your computer and we can move on to the next step. Alright, now we're going deeper. Open Windows Security again, go back to the scan options. This time, select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. This scan is powerful because it restarts your PC and scans before Windows fully loads. So malware hides itself during normal operation, and the scan helps remove those deeper infections. Click Scan Now, your PC will restart automatically and begin scanning. You don't need to press anything, just let it complete. When it finishes, Windows will boot back into your normal desktop. Press Windows plus R and type appwiz.cpl, just like that, and press Enter. Look to the list of installed programs. If you see something you don't recognize, especially recently installed programs, be careful not to remove important system software, but obvious junk or fake programs should go. Next, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, and here what we do is to disable any suspicious programs that automatically starts when Windows boot. Malware often hides here. Just right-click and disable them. Now we'll use another built-in Microsoft tool. Press Windows plus R again, type in MRT, and press Enter. The Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool will open. Click Next, choose Full Scan, and click Next again. This tool focuses on widespread and known malicious software families that sometimes slip through normal scans. Let it complete fully. If it detects something, follow the prompts to remove it. Once finished, restart your PC. Alright, if your computer is still infected, crashing, or behaving strangely after all of this, the safest option is to reset Windows. We have a complete video on that, so make sure to watch that, and that's it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.